creating clay bowls to help fight hunger. Art students from Bluffton and May River High Schools are teaming up to take part in the Empty Bowls project.
The Empty Bowl project is something that started a couple decades ago nationally. There's been different arts organizations and artists that create bowls and then usually pair with somebody within their community to help raise funds for a local organization of need.
We like to take every opportunity we can to have our students involved in the community and give to the community and use their artistic abilities for that purpose.
Students taking ceramics courses, as well as members of the National Arts Honor Society at both schools, are busy using different techniques to create their bowls.
First, you have to obviously wedge the clay so you don't get bubbles, and then you throw it down onto the wheel, and then from there, you just try to bring it up and center it, and you bring the walls up, and from there, if you have the desired shape, you just trim it.
So basically what's going through my head as I'm trying to make my bowls is that I'm going to try to keep it even, try to have the equal amount of pressure when going up, try to make sure one side is not thicker than the other. It's basically all about timing and a lot of patience when trying to make the bowls.
Really, they're just pinch bowls, so you just put your thumb in, move it around till you get something big enough to hold anything in, really. And then you just glaze it, color it. It's a good way to express yourself.
The Southern Barrel Brewing Company and Tavern in Bluffton will be hosting the fundraiser. People will be able to purchase a bowl for $10, and the restaurant will then fill it with soup. All the money raised will be given to Bluffton Self-Help.
I think it's awesome that what we're doing in our classroom is actually having an effect outside of school, and just knowing that something that we're putting our own creative process into is going to end up helping someone.
It makes me feel great. I'm glad that we can incorporate the arts and be creative to help raise money for the Bluffton community.
The Empty Bowls fundraiser is Friday at the Southern Barrel Brewing Company and Tavern. It starts at 5 p.m. You can buy your bowls at the event or pre-purchase bowls by visiting the Beaufort County School District website. In Bluffton, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.